video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click country and look for Comoros. Click the search and type it in. Under that, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for nearest Earth. So then it should show up. We found one Bitcoin exchange in Comoros that accepts nearest Earth, and that's Local Bitcoins. Local Bitcoins is an escrow service which also helps to match Bitcoin buyers and sellers. The most common method of payment for purchase is cash deposit. However, users may advertise trades for whichever payment method they prefer. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information about Bitcoin, you could go to the WeUseCoins.com website or the blog link down below in the description. And I'll see you on my next video.